Hello students, I'm Professor Samita Shinde. I'm going to conduct your chapter number 8 of OCM. Yes, this is lecture number 2. In this class we are going to study concept of market. And before moving to your various concepts related with the market, I want to make you understand what is a market. Yes, and for that purpose I want to explain you one example. Here I have taken one picture of a shop. Yes, that means maybe there are various shops and this is a florist shop. Yes, we can see there is a few concepts related with this florist shop. There is a place. Here you can see the place over here. यहाँ पे आपको place दिखाई देता है. कुछ तो जगह है जहाँ पे selling हो रहा है, buying हो रहा है. Yes. Next is your area. Yes, there is a related some area is there where she can find her whatever that a customer is wants, whatever they want to buy it. Next is exchange. There is a exchange. Yes, there is a two parties. Here you can see the two parties related with the exchange, and there is exchange of commodities. Yes, and there is a exchange. There is a two ways of exchange. दिस इज नॉट अ बार्टर सिस्टम. यहाँ पे बार्टर सिस्टम में आपने पुराने पहले जमाने का बार्टर सिस्टम के बारे में सुना होगा कि बार्टर सिस्टम में क्या होता था. द प्रोडक्ट्स आर और द सर्विसेज आर exchange with the products or the services. Nowadays, whenever you are going to explain your concept called marketing, there is a exchange. And when you are going to buy something, you have to give them some exchange value. And this is called exchange. Here you can see the commodity. In the market, you can see the various commodity. Now in this example, which commodity you can see? Yes, this is a florist shop and then this person is going to sell whatever the flowers he have to that lady. Next is space or a digital. Maybe here is a space, and nowadays we can do digital shopping also. Now what is a digital shopping? It is a e-commerce. That means normal shopping nowadays, and for normal sense, nowadays we purchase various things from the online shopping and everyone likes it. Yes, there is a various sites for digital shopping. And last one is a demand or the customer. Whatever demand is made by the customer, that can be fulfilled by your seller. Yes, so this is your concept related with the market. Now we will first understand what is a market. Yes, I put various pictures of market where there is a farmers market, then your food market, and in the earlier slides, earlier lectures, we have already seen the what is different types of markets. So word market, to understand marketing, it is necessary to understand the word market. आपको marketing समझने से पहले आपको क्या समझना चाहिए? The word called market. The market is derived from Latin word. You can see the Latin word here. What does it mean? Here is a Latin word marketius, which means to trade. There are some other meaning is also given, but I here only include to trade. Trade ये आपने चैप्टर नंबर 1 में लास्ट ईयर 11th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ा है कि ट्रेड मीन्स बाइंग एंड सेलिंग. Yes, so market is a place where two or more persons come together or two or more parties come together or involved in buying and selling, and this is nothing but your market. हर कोई मार्केट में जाता है तो आप देखते हो कि there is a two at least minimum two parties. दो पार्टी से कम लोग तो होते नहीं है, दो से ज्यादा हो सकते हैं बट कम नहीं हो सकते. So this is your market. Market is derived from Latin word marketius, which means to trade. Market is a place where the two or more parties involved and in buying and selling of goods or services. So this is your market, and straight away I'm going to move with the different concepts. जो हमने पहले एग्जाम्पल में अभी स्टार्टिंग के लेक्चर में लिया था, beginning of this lecture. Okay, I have taken one example and there are the various concepts. Here in the slides, or the lecture, you're supposed to study 6 concepts. Number 1 is a place concept. So what is a place? It is a place where buying and selling of goods and services takes place of money or money's worth. ये सिंपल है, आप लोगों ने ये लास्ट ईयर ओसीएम में पढ़ा है, where goods and services are taking place. जहाँ पे प्लेस होता है वहां पे, that means there is a market, there is a particular place over here. आपको हर कोई मार्केट के पिक्चर में आपको दिखाई देगा कि वहां पे पर्टिकुलर प्लेस है. आपको कुछ भी खाने जैसे चीजें लेनी है तो आप लोग क्या करते हो, वो फूड मार्केट में जाते हो. आपको क्लोथ लेना है तो आप क्लोथ मार्केट्स देखते हो. Yes, so this is your market where the buying and selling of goods or the services takes place of money or money's worth. मनी दे के, मनी से जैसे वैल्यू दे के उसको परचेज करना है. Where buyers and sellers come together and exchange goods and services. जहाँ पे different buyers and sellers come together. Whenever you go into the market, you can see that there are different number of your buyers also and sellers also. And what they are going to do? They are exchanging their goods and services for money. Yes. In olden days, the market plays an important role in defining the market. Yes. जहाँ पे अच्छा मार्केट है वहाँ पे आपको कस्टमर्स दिखाई देंगे. But nowadays, due to your technology, due to your all your policies and all, you can see your market can be available on your fingertip. आप एक क्लिक कर लेते हो, आपको मार्केट अवेलेबल हो जाता है. Yeah? In the age of information technology, the term market is a wider meaning than just a place. Yes, आप लोग within one click you can see the number of a market type. Yes, for example, take an example of this digital market is, you can take an example of Amazon. In the Amazon, you can see the various products. Earlier you cannot get the grocery, but nowadays on the one platform you can get various types of products. When you can open the link of Amazon, you can see the number of sections. So that means this is because of technology, the term is going to be changed because it's something bigger concept of market. Yes, so this is your place concept. Number 2 is commodity market. Commodity means here there you can see the number of a commodity. There is a gold, there is a electricity, there is a grocery, everything you can see. So all this is, you can call it as your grocery. Now the number 2 point is commodity concept of market is where most of the emphasis is given on buying and selling of goods and services. Actually market में होता क्या है? Buying and selling of goods and services. In the buying and selling process of goods and services is important rather than the place of exchange. यहाँ पे आपका place matter नहीं करता. आप लोगों को मैंने एग्जाम्पल पहले भी दिया था कि आप लोग अमेजोन पे शॉपिंग करते हो तो वहां पे आपको कुछ मार्केट जैसे प्लेस अवेलेबल नहीं होता. You can buy number of things at a single time. Yes, so that means only what is a matter for while you are entering into buying and selling. Your important thing is your goods or services. It is an important factor. That means your commodities are the very, very important, and different or the various commodities are exchanged among buyer and the seller, and इट प्लेज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल। जो आप लोग इकोनॉमिक्स में पढ़ते हो, डिमांड, सप्लाई, so all this is nothing but what? Your all is related with the trade part. That means it is simultaneously related with the buying and selling. We will move to next is third point. Yes, this is the exchange concept. Exchange concept यानी क्या? आप जो कुछ मार्केट से लेते हो तो आपको इन रिटर्न सेलर को क्या पे करना होता है? पैसे, मनी, exchange. That means exchange concept of a market has given emphasis on the exchange of goods or services between the buyer and seller with free consent as well as mutual trust. अभी आप लोग क्या करते हो? ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करते हो, ट्रेडिशनल मोड से शॉपिंग करते हो, दैट मीन्स शॉप में जाके शॉपिंग करते हो, देयर इज अ बायर एंड सेलर। तो वहां पे आप क्या करते हो? आप लोग समटाइम्स क्या करते हो? प्राइस कम करते हो। यस, ज्यादा तो नहीं करते, तो कम करते हो यानी क्या कि आप नेगोशिएट करते हो। दैट मीन्स दोनों की म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग से आप एक कुछ प्राइस डिसाइड करते हो। यस, यू आर ऑफरिंग, आप लोग सेल होगा तो आप ऑफर्स पूछते हो, कुछ उसके ऊपर डिस्काउंट्स पूछते हो, तो वो एग्री होगा तो वो रेडी हो जाएगा सेलर पे करने की, आपको वो बेचने के लिए पर्टिकुलर चीज या प्रोडक्ट्स। तो दैट मीन्स द एक्सचेंज कंसेप्ट इज बेस्ड ऑन योर बायर एंड सेलर म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग। म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग के ऊपर ये एक्सचेंज डिपेंड होता है। देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी फ्रॉड, मिसरिप्रेजेंटेशन और अनड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस ड्यूरिंग द एक्सचेंज। अभी ये सब जो चीजें हैं, फ्रॉड सबको पता है, फ्रॉड नहीं करना चाहिए। जो आपने वैल्यू जितनी का दिया है उसने उतने ही वैल्यू का आपको प्रॉपरली प्रोडक्ट मिलना चाहिए। दिखाया कुछ और, लिया कुछ और, मिसरिप्रेजेंटेशन, अनड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस यानी कस्टमर अच्छा है तो कस्टमर रिच है तो उसके पास से उससे ज्यादा मनी लिया। That means this is called as a undue influence. जो नहीं लेना चाहिए वो उसका benefit लेना है। That means all this cannot be happen over among this exchange concept. Exchange should be voluntary. Yes, exchange क्या होना चाहिए? Voluntary होना चाहिए between your buyer and seller. Now I'll move to next point. Point number 4, area concept of market. Now what is the area? Where it is related with the exchange concept. ये concept किससे related होता है? एरिया concept आपके exchange concept से। कैसे? Here free association between the buyer and seller. यहाँ पे मैंने एक एग्जांपल दिया है, रिटेलर्स एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया, यहाँ पे उसका नेम भी दिया है। यानी यहाँ पे कुछ बायर्स एंड सेलर्स में एक साथ आते हैं, they are fixing the some goods prices and they are going to buy and sell according to that prices. The price fixed between the buyer and seller implies in a certain area only. ये particular area से ही related होता है जो price decide किया जाता है। For fixing the price, the buyers and sellers can regularly take a help of different modes. अब ये different mode का help कैसे ले सकते हैं? कौन से mode आपको पता है? Medium of communication, तो अब various modes nowadays you can go with the WhatsApp, you can go with the emails, you can go with the different modes while calling. So this is your different modes you can use it and communicate your exchange value. Now after this I'm going to start with the 5th point. See, you can see the customer is a king. आप लोगों ने OCM में भी पढ़ा होगा और आपके इकोनॉमिक्स में भी पढ़ा होगा। कस्टमर इज अ किंग, यानी कस्टमर जो डिमांड यहाँ पे दिखाई देगा कि वॉट एवर ही वॉन्ट दैट कैन बी फुलफिल बाय ऑल दिस सेलर्स। क्योंकि नाउ डेज, अर्लियर क्या होता था पहले के जमाने में कि कंपनी प्रोडक्शन करते रहते थे, ये ब्रांड है ना, चलो प्रोडक्शन बना दो, वो मार्केट में बिक जाएगा। बट नाउ डेज द सिचुएशन इज टोटली चेंज। यहाँ पे आपके कस्टमर को जो चाहिए वही प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में आता है। नाउ आई वांट टू गिव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ एयरटेल। आपने एयरटेल का अभी का रिसेंट वाला एड देखा है? तो उसमें क्या मेंशन किया है, दे वांट टू रिड्यूस ऑल. Yes, so in Airtel example, I want to just tell you that they are focusing on resolving nowadays the Airtel brand, Airtel connection is going to resolve, they want to resolve the all problems faced by their customers, and that proportion is a 0%. Yes, so these advertisement we can see on nowadays on the television set. So that means they are going to give try to give their product all the services as per the requirement of customer, because customer is a king, customer proportion is higher than the seller. So the market access the demand or need और डिमांड ऑफ द कस्टमर. यस, मार्केट क्या करते रहता है हमेशा, दे आर ऑलवेज गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स और द सर्विसेज टू देयर customers. That means they want to satisfy all the needs and all the requirement of your customers. So this is your point number 5. Market can be studied from the perspective of a demand or the customer. Yes, मार्केट क्या करता है, स्टडी कैसे करता है, फ्यूचर स्टडी का जो फ्यूचर में प्रोडक्ट लाना है तो वो कैसे डिसाइड करते हैं. दैट मीन्स दे आर गोइंग टू सी द डिमांड और द कस्टमर्स पर्सपेक्टिव, कस्टमर्स को क्या अच्छा लगता है, कस्टमर्स को कोई प्रोडक्ट में क्या चेंजेस चाहिए. सो दिस इज योर perspective of your customers, and that can be applied while the new products are developed by the company. Last point of the chapter, point number 5 is aggregate demand consider for any product in the market. एक किसी सिंगल कस्टमर्स के डिमांड से इमीडिएटली प्रोडक्ट में चेंजेस नहीं किया जाता, वैसे चेंजेस सभी कस्टमर्स को चाहिए होंगे. दैट मीन्स एग्रीगेट डिमांड, देन दैट डिफरेंट चेंजेस फीचर्स the whatever the requirement given by your customers, so that can be applied for the products or the services. So this is point number 5. The customer R is a king of the market. Now last point of the concept, we will wind up the session. Space or the digital concept of a market. Yes, whenever company wants or any brand wants to sell their product in a market, they need a space, they need a digital market. That means nowadays we are using technology. On one click you can get the market open whenever you want. आपको मार्केट ओपन होने के लिए उसको वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप लोग क्या करते हो, एक क्लिक ओपन करते हो, एक क्लिक करते हो, ऐप ओपन करते हो, यू कैन प्लेस योर ऑर्डर whenever you feel, whenever you want, whatever you want. That means nowadays the technology gives birth to the space or the digital concept. Yes, now because of technology we are using different digital market available in our day-to-day life, where new or the sophisticated e-commerce portals, whatever the portals are provided by your different sites, that can be very easy and easy to understand as well, where you can just apply it from nowadays you cannot put all of the application on the laptop or your desktop PCs. No, your Android phone you are having, tablets you are having, you can just upload whatever the applications you want, and you can buy and sell products very easily, immediately. That means this is a market where you can find your convenience. As per the customer's convenience, they are going to sell their product. Various communication media like telephone, mobile, computer, and so on. Now, there is different modes where you can find all these shoppings. Yes, कंप्यूटर है, इंटरनेट है, इंटरनेट है तो सब कुछ है आपके पास. तो this is your various communication media where you can find platform to purchase and sell your different things. Digital market, last point for the day. Digital market can be defined as a market which uses the information technology. हमारे पहले वाले जनरेशन में आईटी के लिए इतना ज़्यादा प्रायोरिटी नहीं था, but nowadays with the help of IT and commerce, the new concept is developed, that is the e-commerce, for buying and selling of the products or services and facilitate the communication of a quality, features, price and terms of exchange among them. अभी ये क्या करते हैं? Because of all this media, you can just click it, you can just find it, you can search for the review, you can go compare the price, you can negotiate, you can take the bids. So all these things are happen because of your information technology. And information technology and commerce makes your e-commerce. So this is a various concept related with the marketing. कौन से 6 कंसेप्ट है? प्लेस, एरिया, यस, प्लेस, एरिया, एक्सचेंज, 3 हो गए। एक्सचेंज के बाद क्या है? रिमेंबर, एक्सचेंज हो गए, एरिया, कमोडिटी, यस, डिमांड और द कस्टमर, and last point is your space or the digital concept. So this is already we done in this class, and thank you for listening patiently. Thank you.